guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at Kredoo's USB e-file that they've kindly sent for us to take a look at. So like I said, this is the USB e-file. You've got your forward direction, your reverse direction, high speed, low vibration, low noise and low heat. Look how compact this box is, guys. I can't wait to see this little e-file. See it slide it out the box like that. You've got your user manual. You've got it in all different languages. So, English. What comes in the box? This is a product diagram. This is technical information. How to use. Attention. And then this is really handy. I like this. So it tells you what all the e-file bits are for. So if you want to take a screenshot of that, guys, let me get it so it's nice and clear for you. If you want to pause the video and take a screenshot of that, you can do, because I find that really helpful. There you go. So in the box, look at this. I need to look at this first because this is adorable. How cute is that? That is so tiny and it's not too heavy. It's a really nice weight. It's so cute. I love it. That is so cute. Then you've got your e-file bits. You've got your sanding bands. You've got more e-file bits. And you've also got, which I've never had with any of my e-files, these. So these are like little dust plugs, and it just stops the dust getting into your e-file. So I'm going to use one of my e-file bits because I want to review this e-file using a drill bit that I know, so I can give it a fair review. So you pop the e-file bit in. Oh, that's what I was going to show you. This is really cool. So you pop the dust plug like that. Then you slide that into the e-file like that. That's in nice and sturdy. So that bit goes in the end like that. And then this bit goes into a USB plug. It's got a really nice long cable as well. Right, so we're all plugged in. This is your control. So you've got your forward, off, reverse. You've got your speed dial. So that way is to turn it down. And then this way is to turn it up. How quiet's that? Wow. That feels so pokey. This is a 20,000 RPM. But that feels really pokey. I'm really excited to give that a try. And also, the vibration is minimal. Yeah, very minimal. So, I'm going to get these took off today, guys. So I'm just going to get these crystals removed quickly first, and then we'll get on and remove my nails and see what it's like, shall we? There we go. Crystals are all removed. So let's see what this bad boy's like now, shall we? So I'm going to try it about halfway. Wow, that is really pokey. And like I say, that is only halfway. So if I was to turn it up, to about 15 RPM. That is really pokey. Loving that. It's not jittery, it's not stalling. It's just slicing straight through that. I've tried a couple of these little USB. It's so hard to do this under the camera, guys. I can't quite get to the angle that I want. I've tried a couple of these little USB drills and they're usually pretty crap, but this is such a pokey little drill. I love it. Love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all these down, then I'm going to file the rest of the nails off. I'm going to speed the rest of the nails up, guys, and play some music.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world.
Alright, guys, so that is the bulk of the product off. How quick and easy was that? So quick and easy. That is the pokiest little e-file I've ever used. It's so cool. So now I'm going to pull out a couple of these drill bits, what you get with it. And I'm just going to get rid of the little bit what's left on there. I don't like going in with a super coarse grit e-file bit when I'm getting that close to my natural nail. So I've pulled this one out. Don't need that speed nowhere near as high either, so I'm going to turn that down. So there we are, guys. That is my nails all ready for a new set. I can't wait to get my first Christmas winter set on. Now this e-file, guys, is so pokey. Amazing little e-file. It's going to be great when I go over to visit my family and I do my auntie's nails. It's going to be perfect for that because that is everything. So compact. I love it. Like I say, I've tried a couple of USB e-files and they're usually so pants. But that is really powerful. Not only is this a powerful little e-file, guys, but it's also a really, really affordable one as well. And if you use my discount code, which you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen, nails GG10, you'll save yourself an extra 10% off that as well. So you're going to get an absolute bargain. So this is available on Amazon from the Kredioo store. I shall leave all the links in my description box below. So I want to say a massive thank you to Kredioo for sending me this out. I really enjoyed using it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.